Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy A26. In order to reset all settings, you need to go to the settings, then go to General Management. Now go to Reset. And reset all settings is something different than factory data reset. Factory data reset will reset your whole phone, deleting all the data, all the accounts, contacts, apps, files, anything that's on your phone, and will bring it to the factory state so you can set it up as new and all of that. But in case you want to reset all settings, because you're not selling the phone, but for example, you've changed too much in settings and something doesn't work, something's not right, you can just click on reset all settings, reset settings, and now provide your screen lock if you have one, reset. Now it'll restart the device in order to reset the settings, but your files will still be in place. Now you can just unlock your phone and all your settings have been reset, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display settings, and anything else that was there. So you can see my files are still in place, but all the settings are reset, so I don't have any Wi-Fi nor anything else. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.